In this video, I want to talk about how you can receive crypto on eToro. Now for this to work, you need to download another app called eToro Money, which is basically a wallet for your crypto. So you need to download eToro Money app. You can do this on the App Store, or you can do it on the Google Play Store. You should be able to get this no matter what kind of phone you have. And once you've done that, sign into your eToro account. So they're going to be linked. Your eToro Money and your eToro account is the same account, just different apps. Once you've logged in, click on the crypto, or you can go to the wallet. Then you just want to pick the crypto you want to receive. Click on receive, copy the address, and then you want to share this address with whoever is going to send the crypto to you. And then simply wait for the crypto to arrive. Now this is the easiest way that you can do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.